out in the garage working on the Jeep JK Restoration Action. Today, I thought I would go over how I'm going to remove this windshield. Now, in the past, I've taken windshields out by hammer, screwdriver, box cutters, all kinds of different ways, usually with a bunch of sharded glass. It's a mess. So today I'm going to try something that's a little bit different. Got a multi-tool here, Milwaukee 18 volt, and I bought a bit called the equalizer. If I can get it open. That's supposed to be a knife blade that fits on the end of the reciprocating tool, the multi-tool, and supposed to cut that urethane. So I'm going to try to use this before I use something like this, which is just your regular extended box cutter with a razor blade on the end of it. These worked many years. People use these, but this one may actually work better, and I may end up not having a bunch of glass everywhere. Now, in the past, I've always destroyed the windshield by accident, or that's just happened, you know, even if I was trying to save it. This one's got a big chip in it, so I don't really care if it gets broken, but I do like to use this as a guinea pig to see if I can actually get the windshield out without breaking it. Let's take a look at getting the windshield out of this thing and maybe not destroying it. This is the blade, and yeah, it's sharp as a tack right here, boy. It's pretty sharp. I'm going to put it on the end of my multi-tool, Milwaukee. That's not really ideal. But I'll give it a shot. Sucks. It smells like burning rubber. Oh man. It did get rid of the urethane right there. I can feel it right here where it's gone. I'm just wondering if a regular blade would work if it was sharper. That blade sucks. I'm going to continue on with this and see what happens. Well, I think I'm making a lot of progress on it. The multi-tool got really hot. That urethane is so thick you gotta go kind of slow. I let it cool off. Awesome. Let me tell you something. Safe Flight repair, Safe Flight. No, this sucks. Trying to cut this urethane with this tool, I don't know how they do it, truthfully. I mean, it's like, ooh, I can't get it. So, I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. This is sharp, but cutting that urethane sucks. This tool is done fairly well, very slow, but I'm going to continue on to see if I can go ahead and get it out without breaking it. That's kind of the test, right? Well, the tool worked pretty well. I got a little aggressive with it right up here pushing, and it cracked the windshield, which no big deal, I don't care. Had I been a little bit more careful with it, I probably could have gone ahead and got the bottom cut out and saved the windshield. But I'm still 0 for, what, 100 or something as far as like saving the windshield. I think I've got it loosened up most of the way. I'm going to try to put a wedge in it and see if I can push it out enough and then cut the urethane on the bottom. And then this one will be out. That was not easy. This urethane in the bottom was really stuck. Yeah, that wasn't any fun. And I don't know if I can save a windshield or not. I don't know if I have this patience, you know. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of skill. It's about 80 degrees in the shop here with the heat as it is outside. I think I'm going to put a fork in it for tonight. I got the windshield out. That was kind of my goal. I still have to clean up all the urethane going around the frame there. I'm happy that I got it out, but I'm not happy that I broke the windshield because that was really my test. And I think maybe in life, there's just some things you just have to say, you know what? I'm just going to break the windshield no matter what I do, because I don't work for a glass company and I don't care that much. And that's really kind of where I'm at. I got a new windshield ready to go in. Got the urethane and the primer. I just got to clean up the frame and then we'll be ready to go. I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'll pick back up there. Going to have a shop vac, vacuum out some of the glass that just from where it broke, and then go from there. Going to start taking off the top, the rear flares, the spare tire carriers, and hopefully I'm going to start working on the hood very soon here. So keep watching that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do on the inside of the tub. I think I know I've got carpet for it, and I may rhino line it, but I'm not going to paint it, that's for sure. There's a couple little rusty spots I'll treat, but as far as like the floorboard goes, I'm either going to just carpet it or rhino line it, or nothing, I don't know. And I got to get the hardware off the back, the wheel, the light, the tail lights. Very little though. I don't lack a lot of having it ready to start wet sanding and prepping, so that's really exciting for me. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I will pick back up on getting everything disassembled. I think that I'm going to order new roll bar covers. I don't know. I could paint these, but I think maybe at this point I may just replace them. I think I'm going to take out the passenger side seat and the back seat, just leaving the front one so I can drive it around if I have to. And then disassemble this, take out the fender flares and get the back cleaned up, and pretty much then we can start prepping for paint. I'm not too far away from that. I got everything cleaned out of the Jeep. I can take out the center console. I got a new one of those. But I'm pretty happy with a couple days. Got a lot accomplished on it. Got the windshield out in pieces. That was awesome. I loved it. So awesome. Catch you on the flip side. Any questions, comments, post them below. This thing is going to look beautiful in white. I can tell you that. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.